you're doing great. I have this beautiful lawn collection in navy blue Primavera from Rangre's collection. These are the fabric details, and let's see how the suit actually looks. Here we have the digital printed front with laser cut on the daman of the shirt. It has beautiful designs, beautiful prints, beautiful color of navy blue. This is the neckline of the shirt with beautiful floral leaves print. The color combinations are so pretty, so vibrant. Next we have the back of the shirt. This is the back with same floral prints all around from top to bottom. These are the sleeves. Same digital printed. You can check out the prints, you can check out the quality. This is so amazing. Next we have this embroidered patch. The second embroidered patch, and this is the laser cut putty for the sleeves and for the neckline. You can see the neatness and the fabric quality. It's so amazing. You can check out the embroidery quality. Next we have this embroidered lace for the palazzo pants. It has the color navy blue and white. The embroidery is just so perfect. Next we have the trouser. It's a printed trouser, again on lawn. The lawn fabric is very light and very subtle and very comfortable to wear in summers. This will come at the bottom, and this all is printed. The whole pajama and the whole trouser is digitally printed. Here is the tag of Rangre's summer collection, and this is 100% original lawn suit. This is the chiffon, pure chiffon dupatta with beautiful digital prints and colors. All floral and summery colors are there. The floral prints are on the both sides of the dupatta, and you can check the quality of the dupatta. It's on pure chiffon. If you are interested in buying this suit, please take a screenshot and inbox us. Next we have this beautiful grape green color suit, D2 Vineyard. These are the fabric details. Let's see how the suit looks. Here we have the back of the shirt. The color is pure green grape, and it has a lavender color prints on it, which is looking so pretty. This is the printed trouser with yellow motifs. The base color of the trouser is cream or off-white, you can say. These are the sleeves of the shirt. Here we have the laser cutting patches. You can check the fabric quality, the print quality. This is the brand tag on the fabric, which shows that it's 100% original Rangre's lawn collection. Next we have the short front. The neckline has the laser cutting, as you can see. You can check out the fabric quality, the fabric printing. The whole suit look is on green and lavender color, and there are motifs of black in it, which is enhancing the overall look of the suit. And here we have the dupatta. It's a silk gota printed dupatta. Usually in India we have the foil printing, but here in Pakistani suits This silk dupatta has the gota printing done on it. As you can see, the quality is just super amazing. The color combination, the color scheme they have given for this particular suit is just so mind-blowing. This is how the suit will look after it will get stitched. Here we have another piece from the same collection. It's D4 Lady in Red. These are the fabric details. It says that it has embroidered front, digitally printed back sleeves, digitally printed trouser, wow, that's amazing, and pure chiffon dupatta. Now let's see how the suit actually looks. These are the center panel of the sleeves, and there's a emerald green color border at the bottom which will come around the wrist, and this color is giving a kick to the sleeves. You can check out the tag of Rang Rays. It's 100% original lawn suit. You can see the quality, you can see the fabric. It's so pretty. I am just loving the color combination, the color scheme, and the designing of this particular suit. This is the back of the shirt, and this is the center panel. There's blue color border at the bottom of the shirt. Here we have the shirt front. This is fully embroidered shirt front. You can check the quality of the embroidery. It's super amazing. The finishing is just superb. You can see it's all Japanese machine embroidery done on the fabric itself, so no patchwork here. For this big bunch, you are getting this all in the shirt itself. The base color of the suit is red. This is the neck patch. It's totally up to you if you want this to get it attached or not, because the shirt overall is already heavy embroidered. You can check out the quality again of the embroidery, the finishing, and how beautifully it is done. We have got another patch. You can see the quality of embroidery for this as well, and this will place at the bottom of the shirt. This is the printed trouser. The blue putty will come at the bottom of the trouser. You can check, it's fully printed and it's digitally printed. The colors are very beautiful. Again, you can check the tag. It's 100% original brand of Pakistani suit. Next we have this beautiful digital printed pure chiffon dupatta. Look at the color scheme of the suit, you guys. The suit is totally on red, and in contrast we have this multicolored dupatta. The base color of the dupatta is blue, and then there's a digitally printed. It's a beautiful digital print and beautiful colors of gold, green, blue, white, pink, orange. All colors are mixed in this. You can check out the quality. It's pure chiffon dupatta. This is how the suit will look after getting stitched. Next we have this beautiful punch color suit. The name is Spring Blossom D5. It's embroidered suit with digital prints on it, and it has pure medium silk dupatta. Now let's see how the suit originally looks. I'm already excited for this one because it already seems the colors are so amazing. Oh my god, look at the prints and the color combination. This suit is unique in itself. It's so stylish. The base color of the suit is punch, which is also you can say known as the Pyazi color, but it's a little darker than that. Here are the sleeves. Look at the color combination. This is too perfect to be true. The colors are so amazing, I must say. You can check the tag again on this suit. The digital prints, the finishing, the fabric quality. It's again on lawn. This is the back. We have the plain trouser again on the punch color, the base color of the suit. This is the shirt front. The upper side of the shirt is plain, and as we go down there are prints and there's a border of same blue and black combination at the daman of the shirt. This is the neck patch. These are the motifs embossed on the shirt. Look at the quality of the embroidery. The brand has paid attention on every minute detail of their collection, be it the fabric quality, the color scheme, the prints and patterns. Everything is just so perfect. Also, they have come up with something unique this time, and that is the Gota embossing on their fabric. It's looking stunning. The foil prints are just so common, but this Gota embossing is something different. This is the leather embossing. You can check out how neatly they have embossed everything on the fabric. You can check out the fabric quality, the digital prints on it. This brand has totally won my heart. Don't you think so that Rangraze has a good taste? Here we have the silk dupatta in contrast with the suit, which is making the look of the suit on the more stylish and more classier side. We have this Gota embossed flower, the electric blue color, the purple color with the golden lines on it. It's looking so pretty, I must say. This is the Gota embossing. Just take a view on it. This is how the suit will look after it is stitched. Next we have this beautiful lawn pastel color suit, Frosty Day. The code is D6. It has embroidered shirt with digital prints on it, digital printed trouser and laser cut organza dupatta. Let's see how the suit originally looks. Here we have the shirt front. The colors are so summery. It has a soothing color scheme. The upper part of the shirt is of the sea color, and as we go down, the shirt color comes light. There's a border of the lavender color. Here we have the neck patch for the shirt. You can check out the quality. The finishing is just so perfect. Here we have the lace for the daman of the shirt. It's on the lavender color. This is the back of the shirt. The color scheme of the back is also same as the front. The upper part is of the sea, and as we go down, the color scheme changes to light. These are the sleeves. with beautiful zigzag print and the flower motif in the center. Next we have this digital printed trouser. The bottom of the trouser has the flower motif and the pattern is of stripes. It has thick stripes, no extra patchwork on the trouser as it is already digitally printed. Next we have this laser cut organza dupatta. The laser cut is on all the 4 sides of the dupatta. You can check out the cutting and how the work is neatly done. There are small leaf booties all over the dupatta. The organza fabric used by the brand for the dupatta is very soft and it's very easy to carry.